I have this simple C++ code here, and if I try to run this using this command, g++ main.cpp-o main, I get this error: GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this error comes because GCC or G++ is not added to the environment variable. Okay. Now, if you're sure you have installed any GCC compiler, you also need to add it to environment variable so you can execute G++ or GCC from the terminal. First, go to your installation directory. I have it installed inside C drive inside the MinGW folder, and then go inside bin. So once you are inside bin, you will see GCC, G++, C++, and so on. So I'll just copy this path, press Windows key and tap environment variables. Click on environment variables. Here, double click on path, scroll to the bottom and click on new, and just paste our path. Click OK, click OK again, and click OK again. Now, if you did not find out where you have installed MinGW or any C++ compiler, then check the link in the description below. It will show you how you can install the compiler first, and these are the steps you need to do after the installation. Since you're trying to run it, I have assumed that you have already installed C or C++ compilers. Now, you just need to restart your Visual Studio Code, and let's run this again. G++ main.cpp-o and then main. Hit enter, and this time, as you can see, the code has successfully executed. The command has successfully executed, and if you check here, main.exe is also there, and if you just double click on it, open here, if you run this, you will see this output. So this is how you can fix the error G++ not recognized as an internal or external command. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.